I wanted to try it. See if I can't make it work. Because it looks so cool, and it would be nice to be able to do something else with my hair. So it comes with a couple bobby pins. And the vintage twist. So it looks like this. Okay. Trying not to get these swatches in my hair. Gather hair together at the bottom of your head and twist all the way down to the end. Oops, right, swatches. Is that twisted enough? Lift the twisted hair upwards, keeping hold of the end of the twist to ensure it does not unravel. Make sure the twist is smoothed out evenly with your hands to ensure that it is neat and tidy. Oh man, that T looked like an F. Take the end of the twist and tuck into the main body of the twist. What the hell does that mean? Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Is my hair too long? Insert the Conair Vintage Twist tool into the tip of the twist to secure the end of the twist into the main body of the twist. Where did it go? It's still in my hair. What did I do wrong? I was so, like, I actually had a glimmer of hope that that was going to turn out right. Okay, maybe I'll bring my mirror up here so I can actually see what I'm doing. Gather hair together at the bottom of your head and twist all the way down to the end. See? Twisting. I'm twisting. 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 Lift the twisted hair upwards and keep hold of the end of the twist to ensure it does not unravel. Make sure the twist is smoothed out evenly with your hands and ensure that the rest is neat and tidy. Take the end of the twist and tuck it into the main body of the twist. Insert the Conair Vintage Twist tool, into the tip of the twist to secure the end of the twist into the main body of the twist. Now you have created your retro vintage hair twist. Well, the metal is jabbing into the back of my neck. I don't think that's how it's supposed to look. Oh, use bobby pins to secure. Secure with bobby pins. Don't forget, red lipstick and a slick of eyeliner is a must. Okay. I'm gonna keep playing with that one. I wanted to have something cute for work. Maybe I'll look up a YouTube video about it. Anyway.